Dealing with finances can be stressful, but it doesn't need to be that way. On Money Management 101, our focus is simple. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you save. Join us as we dive into personal finance, from budgeting and saving to investing and debt management. We'll share practical tips, strategies, and tools to help you take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your financial situation, this channel is here to help. So make sure to like and subscribe now, and let's start creating the life and mindset you desire. So, what is money management exactly? Simply put, it's the process of planning and controlling your spending, saving, and investing. It's about making wise financial decisions, setting and achieving financial goals, and living within your means. The purpose of money management is to help you make the most of your money, no matter your income level. By taking control of your finances, you can reduce debt, increase savings, and build wealth over time. And that's the reason why we're here. So, are you ready to start handling your money like a champ? If yes, then we'll begin. Number 1. How much you keep is everything. You may have heard the saying, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. And this simple idea is the key to financial success. Why is keeping more of your money so important? Because no matter how much you earn, if you're not keeping enough of it, you'll never achieve financial freedom. That's why it's essential to focus on the amount you save and invest instead of just the amount you earn. When it comes to personal finance, there's a common misconception that the more money you make, the better your financial situation will be. However, this is simply not true. It's not just about the amount of money you bring in, but also about how you manage and utilize that money. For example, if you're earning a high salary but spending just as much or even more, you're not making any real progress toward your financial goals. On the other hand, if you're earning less but saving and investing more, you'll be in a much better financial position in the long run. That's why it's crucial to adopt a disciplined approach to managing your money. This means creating a budget, setting financial goals, reducing debt, increasing savings, and investing wisely. By doing so, you'll be able to keep more of your hard-earned money and work towards achieving financial freedom. Another aspect of keeping more of your money is reducing your tax liability. This can be achieved through smart tax planning strategies, such as contributing to a 401k plan or taking advantage of tax deductions. By reducing your tax liability, you'll be able to keep more of your money in your pocket and not let the government take it away. To sum up, it is impossible to stress the importance of how much you keep is everything. Whether you're just starting on your financial journey or looking to improve your financial situation, keeping more of your hard-earned money should be a top priority. So, make sure to focus on what you keep, not just what you earn. Number 2, keep an eye on your finances. This might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised at how many people don't pay close attention to their finances. Why is keeping an eye on your finances so important? Because it's the only way to make informed decisions about your money. When you have a good handle on your finances, you'll be able to make smarter financial decisions, set achievable goals, and create a budget that works for you. For example, let's say you're not keeping an eye on your finances and you keep spending without realizing how much you're spending. This could lead to overspending, debt, and missed opportunities to save. On the other hand, if you're monitoring your finances, you'll be able to identify areas where you can reduce your spending, increase your savings, and pay down debt. Keeping an eye on your finances also means staying on top of your bills and staying on top of due dates. Late payments can result in late fees and harm your credit score. So, it's essential to make sure you're paying your bills on time. Another important aspect of keeping an eye on your finances is keeping track of your investments. This means staying up to date with market conditions, monitoring the performance of your investments, and making changes as needed. By doing this, you'll be able to make informed decisions about your investments and avoid costly mistakes. Finally, keeping an eye on your finances is essential to avoiding fraud and identity theft. You should regularly check your bank statements, credit reports, and other financial accounts for any unauthorized transactions or suspicious activity. By doing this, you'll be able to detect any issues early on and take action to resolve them. Hey, let's take a quick pause. Do you find this information useful? If so, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Also, we want to hear about your experiences in handling finances by leaving a comment below. Let's get back to the video. Number 3. Sort your expenses. This might seem like a tedious task, but it's the key to creating a budget that works for you and helps you reach your financial goals. Why is sorting your expenses so important? Because it gives you a clear understanding of where your money is going. When you know exactly how much you're spending and on what, you'll be able to make informed decisions about your money. This includes identifying areas where you can reduce your spending, increase your savings, and pay down debt. Sorting your expenses also helps you create a realistic budget. A budget is a plan for how you'll spend your money, and it's essential for reaching your financial goals. By sorting your expenses, you'll have a clear understanding of how much you're spending and on what. This will allow you to create a budget that's based on your actual spending and not just an estimate. Another benefit of sorting your expenses is that it helps you avoid overspending. When you know exactly how much you're spending and on what, you'll be able to make informed decisions about your money. This will help you to avoid impulse purchases and ensure that you're not spending more than you can afford. Sorting your expenses can also help you identify areas where you can reduce your spending. For example, you might realize that you're spending a lot of money on eating out, subscription services, or entertainment. By reducing your spending in these areas, you'll be able to free up money for other expenses or your savings. To conclude, sorting your expenses is a crucial step in managing your finances. It gives you a clear understanding of where your money is going, help you create a realistic budget, and helps you avoid overspending. So, make sure to sort your expenses regularly and take control of your finances. Number 4. If you're smart and disciplined, debt can be powerful. Many people view debt as a burden and something to be avoided at all costs. However, when used correctly, debt can be a powerful tool to help you reach your financial goals. So what do we mean by if you're smart and disciplined, debt can be powerful? If you understand how to use debt wisely and have the discipline to stick to a plan, you can use debt to your advantage. One of the ways debt can be powerful is by allowing you to invest in assets that appreciate over time. For example, using a mortgage to buy a home or using student loans to finance an education can be a smart use of debt. These investments can appreciate over time, which can help you build wealth. Another way debt can be powerful is by allowing you to take advantage of opportunities. For example, using a small business loan to start a business or using a personal loan to finance a home renovation project can be a smart use of debt. These opportunities can help you grow your wealth and improve your financial situation. It's important to note that the key to making debt powerful is to use it wisely and have the discipline to stick to a plan. This means creating a budget, tracking your spending, and making sure that you're not taking on too much debt. It also means having the plan to pay off your debt as soon as possible, so that you can enjoy the benefits of being debt-free. In a nutshell, debt can be a powerful tool when used wisely and with discipline. When you're using debt to invest in assets or to take advantage of opportunities, it's important to have a plan and to make sure that you're not taking on too much debt. So, if you're smart and disciplined, use debt to your advantage and reach your financial goals. And that's it for today. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you save. By learning to manage your money wisely, you can reach your financial goals and enjoy financial freedom. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy saving!